Posting the same content on every platform can feel repetitive, and your audience notices. Many beginners struggle to adopt content quickly. But repurposing content doesn't have to take hours. This is the prompt I entered into ChatGPT. Pause here if you want to copy it or swap in your own caption. In seconds, you get platform specific versions that feel natural and engaging, saving you time and keeping your content fresh. But rewriting content alone won't grow your business. The AI Business Builder Challenge teaches you how to repurpose content strategically across multiple channels. So your business expands without extra effort, all in 5 beginner-friendly episodes. You also get bonuses like the secret no funnel method to reach your first customers quickly and the copy and paste command database to streamline content creation across all platforms. Turn one caption into content that works everywhere. The AI Business Builder Challenge is available for less than $20. Check the link in the description and start repurposing smarter today.